intense contrast. It's a fascinating phenomenon metaphorically. It's metaphysical and phenomenological intriguing because what I've noticed is a lot of things I've drawn unfolded in reality. That's a whole different supernatural parapsychological phenomenon. Yeah. But speaking from a creative perspective, softness determines the distance of the art. Basically, art is done on a two-dimensional. I have to take this class today in Atelston to get more details on how to, because, man, it's softness determines distance. Basically, art is drawing or painting is illustrated or demonstrated on a two-dimensional surface. But it's given the illusion of a three-dimensional perspective, and the three-dimensional perspective is really contingent and conducive on, I call it geometric perpendicular angles. Art is really, philosophically, the fundamental nature of art is really contingent and conducive to two philosophical phenomena: perspective and proportion. Perspective, from a subjective and an objective standpoint, is the ability to see the angle at which the image is illustrated or depicted, and proportion is understood